Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram if it's not letting you follow new accounts. So let's get started the video. Instagram has limits on how many accounts you can follow within a certain time frame. If you have been following a large number of accounts in a short period, you might have hit a temporary limit. Wait for a few hours or up to 24 hours and try following accounts again. Ensure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check if an update is available. If there's an update, tap Update to install it, and then try following accounts again. Also, close the Instagram app completely and reopen it and try following accounts. Sometimes logging out and back in can resolve the issues. Log out from Instagram and log back in, then try following accounts again. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.